Hello students, I am Gagan. Today I am going to show you how to remember the reactivity series and how to use the reactivity series. Before going further, please subscribe to my channel, don't cram, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And watch this video till the end to learn learn this trick to remember the reactivity series and how to use this one reactivity series. So the trick is केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीके से पकाता है चा. So here the symbols that are used: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, silicon, phosphorus, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. And as we are going from up to down, the reactivity series of the element it is decreasing, and the metal which are above in the reactivity series, they are more powerful than the metal which are below. In this case, you can see the potassium it is present at the top, so it is the more powerful, it is the strongest one and more reactive elements than the other. And the gold that is present at the bottom of this one reactivity series, so that's why this cannot react very easily with the other one. So how to use this reactivity series? Let's go ahead. So whenever the two elements and compounds that like iron and copper sulfate, they are reacting together. So as we have seen in the reactivity series, that iron it is present at this one position and copper is present in the downward position. Iron is present upside and the copper is present downside. So iron it is more powerful than the copper. So that's why in this reaction you will see, whenever we are going to react this iron with the copper sulfate, the iron which is more powerful and the copper is least powerful, so the iron can easily displace the copper from its position. So it will form a compound that is FeSO4 and Cu. Okay, so whenever we are going to react that a copper metal with the iron sulfate solution, so in this case, as we have already seen, the copper it is less powerful and the iron is more powerful, but copper can easily move from its place, but it cannot displace the iron from its compound. So like this, we can easily see that which metal can easily displace the other metal from the compound and which cannot make. So this is the exact use of this reactivity series, just to find out that which metal can displace and which metal cannot displace, and which is more reactive, which is not that much reactive. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.